Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released Snapshot 21W42A. I'll be showing you the most important tweaks and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's new in this snapshot, just keep on watching. Firstly, there has been new music added to the game. It'll play in the main menu as well as when you're playing in survival mode. Secondly, a new music disc has also been added. However, it can only be found on rare occasions in stronghold corridor chests, or even more rarely in dungeon chests. Lastly though, there is now an autosave indicator for single player worlds. Firstly, lava springs can now generate in mountains and snowy terrain. Water springs now won't generate higher than level Y192, and they are slightly less common to come across. Moreover, gold has been tweaked to generate higher up in the Badlands biome. The issue of players spawning inside icebergs has now been fixed, as well as the issue of players sometimes spawning underground when loading into a new world. Other than those small tweaks, there haven't been many significant bug fixes made. Nonetheless, if you'd like to check out the bugs for yourself, the link to the article will be in the description. Those are all the important changes that have been made to Minecraft in this snapshot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more from my channel, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget though, if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to listen to the new music discs with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching!